Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this bonus video, and I'm excited to show you the software in action today. It's a software that does two main things. The first thing that it does is allows you to capture leads directly from any ads that you're running through Facebook. So within one click, you can capture leads into your autoresponder. What it also does is it allows you to generate basically audiences that you can promote to over Facebook based on who's in your email autoresponder really easily throughout the software. So there's two ways to use this software. First of all, what you need to do is, I'll go through integrations first because this is probably the most important. So this will integrate with MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, Aweber, GetResponse, Constant Contact, and MadMimmy. If you use another software that's not in this list, then the software is probably not going to work for you. It won't integrate. So this is really important, and if you do want to use the software, you'll want to use one of these options here. I want to let you know that in advance, so you now know that you need that. Infusionsoft would also work, and you've also got Stripe integration here. Now if we go back to my account, or go to dashboard, then we'll go in and we'll start creating our lead ad. Now the lead ad is the first type of feature that this has, so we'll just basically go lead ad 1, we'll click continue, and then we'll go here. Now right now I'm using basically a review account. I'm going to select Craig Crawford's Facebook account. I'm then going to select the Facebook page, and then I can select my lead form. Now, I'm not sure if you remember, we've gone through this before. It's basically this here. So in Facebook, when you're going into the Facebook ads part of Facebook, okay, to the ads manager, you'll want to click create an ad, and then it'll take you to this page here. Then you'll want to select lead generation and click continue. What that does is it gives you what's called a lead form. This is the lead form down here. And through this lead form, right here, you can select and we can put download, for example. We can select what we want our form to look like. So now, because we've got our lead form set up, we would go in, we would click on new form. We would then go and customize our form. So you would say that obviously we wanted it to be a form. We would probably have, we've got a button here, we've got layout paragraph, we can have a welcome screen if we want, we could have questions if we want. We don't need to have that welcome screen. Instead, we could just have sign up by providing your info below and click submit. Now what this lead form does is it basically takes away the manual process. This software takes away the manual process. So instead of people having to enter in their information like an email and a name, they're not going to have to do that because we have our software. One of the things you need is you'll need a privacy policy, and you'll need a thank you screen as well. So we'll just enter in a couple of random domains for now. And we'll add in a privacy policy as well. Now it should allow us to finish, and then our lead form is created. Now this is basically all we need to do to create a lead form, and that lead form is then going to be found within this section of this software here. When we click continue now, and we decide to advertise our lead form in Facebook, now it's going to have the sign up button there. So it'll basically look like this, and if anyone clicks the download button, it's going to allow us to generate a lead, okay, from that person clicking on it. With this, we can then choose what we want to integrate with, which autoresponder we want to capture the lead in. We can choose which list we want it to go into as well, and we can choose what the action is. In this case, it's subscribe. If we wanted to, we could add other actions in as well. So you could actually integrate multiple different autoresponders in one place here. So you could actually capture your leads to many different places and promote to them through a number of different means. That's the first part of the software. Then we click finish to complete, and then we're done. Now we're going to go to the second part right now, which is the audiences syncs. Now this custom audience basically allows you to enter in your custom audience name. Then it allows you to connect up to your Facebook account, choose the ad count, click continue, and then from there we're going to be able to choose which audience we want to import. So these are the audiences that are available to import right here. This is based on what integrations we have. So if we've integrated Aweber, we can import our subscribers here, and then we can market to them through Facebook ads. So these are leads in our subscriber list. When we click on, say, the 60K list, what's going to happen is when we click continue, we can then start to promote to these people. So we can choose Aweber, again this list, how does it sync? We'll just wait for this to load. Choose how it's going to sync. Select and configure your synced apps, and we can then select an app here. So what we've done is we've basically selected our audience. This is our custom audience in Facebook. I need to repeat that. So basically what we've done is, first of all, we've connected up our custom audience, we've connected up our Facebook account, we've then connected up the custom audience we've created inside of Facebook, and then this here, and I got this wrong before, but this here is our subscriber list, all right? So this is the subscriber list, and these subscribers are going to be added as audiences or people we can promote to in Facebook inside of this custom audience here. So once we click finish, what's going to happen is this custom audience will now populate with the subscribers that we have here, and we can then promote to these people within Facebook. This is really useful, this feature, if you're at the stage where you want to promote to people through Facebook marketing, but you don't yet have any custom audiences built through Facebook. So you don't know who you're targeting over Facebook. If you've already built a subscriber list, now what you can do is you can import those subscribers as a custom audience, and then you can basically serve ads through Facebook. All you do is you'd go up here to the audience section in the ad creation process, and we would then select our custom audience. You'll see here I've got a number of in this particular account, I've got one custom audience. So this would be our custom audience. And then we could target these people. And these would be subscribers of ours, which we've selected from our list. It also means we can get much more specific with our promotions, because if you've got a list for different topics, it means you can identify what group of people are interested in a particular topic, and you can promote to those people over Facebook specifically with ads that suit that topic or fit that topic. I hope that's clear. Now down below, if you want to see another demonstration of this in action, the team have created a really complete walkthrough of all of the different features, how these custom audiences work, how advertising on Facebook works, also how these lead ads work, which is probably the main big feature that this software has. And you can't do this without this software. So Facebook doesn't allow you to import or export your leads automatically unless you have a software like this. So hopefully this really helps, and if you want to be promoting over Facebook, you want to be generating more leads from Facebook, advertising more over Facebook, this should be a really useful tool for you. Alright, go down below, check out all the details down below as well as all the bonuses. I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.